Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am DRGOAT. Today we're going to be taking a look and doing a little test with the Ticarve cleaning gel. Alright guys, so first off here, this, I honestly don't know how to pronounce it. Ticarve, I don't know. Wide range of applications, they say. This is a dust cleaning gel. They say car products, keyboard, digital products, household appliances. Keep away from children. It is not washable, not for oil cleaning, and avoid the direct sunlight. They have a description here. Catches dust, debris, hair, crumbs, and so on. Ideal for cleaning gaps and cavities. Suitable for all devices and surfaces except carpets. So, I'm wondering if that would mean cloth seats. Instructions. 1. Taking out the cleaning gel with dry hands. Knead a few times. 2. Press the gel slightly onto the dust surface and then pull it up slowly. The dust should be carried away. 3. After use, put it back in jar and sealed storage in a cool and dry place. 4. Reuse it till the gel becomes darker and dirty, then replace it with a new one. Okay, so this 2-pack here comes with a blue and a purple. From what I read online, which I will show you that, the blue has a lavender scent, and the purple has I think it said magnolia flower scent. So they're literally the same thing. They've got slightly different packaging on them, but yeah, they do the same thing. So I might take out the magnolia flower one, and we're gonna go outside to the Subaru and give this stuff a try. Oh, this car is a mess. Alright guys, I am out in my car right now. Honestly, I'm sure you can see the dust just shimmering off there. But anyways, opening this thing up. This car is a disaster right now. Okay. There we go. Oh. Ooh, it does smell nice. It does actually smell nice. Look at that. This honestly kind of just, whoops, feels like some sort of putty that the kids would play with. So, obviously, normally I would be using some sort of wipes to clean down my dash and everything, but since I knew I had this coming, I kind of just let her go. Let's be honest, I've let it go for a while. But first thing I want to do here is just slap it right on the dash, see what it'll grab right here. It's hard to tell there, but if you look at the dash, that did pick all that up. Oh yeah, dog hair. That is going to be found everywhere here. Okay, so it definitely is working, picking almost everything up off of the dash area there. One of the things, which is the main thing that I honestly got this for, was the vents, which you might have a hard time seeing that right now, but I'm going to push it, and I am trying to kind of squish it in there. Okay. Oh, wow. That actually, look at that. It actually cleaned it up pretty well. I mean, it's obviously back in where I didn't get it. It wasn't. Yeah, that looks good though. That looks good. And that's one thing I guess that's actually nice about this is just getting in the creases. Let's be honest. If you're cleaning your car yourself, the vents are the hardest place to get to. And so that's honestly, when I found out about this stuff, that's really what I was wanting it for. And so far it looks like it's doing a good job. Let's see if we can, if you can just kind of push it in there. And like the instructions said, which I haven't really been paying attention to, is peeling it slowly. I gotta try to get y'all closer for that. Look at the way that peels. Ooh, look at that. I know it's hard for you guys to tell in the video here, but that's actually doing fantastic. Clearly it's working on, say, the plastic dash and the vents of the car, which I know that the vents is the big thing that this was kind of advertised as, that it was going to clean that. I will say that's probably going to be one of the downfalls of this, is just the fact that it cannot be washed. I don't know. I guess for some reason I was kind of expecting this stuff to be able to be like, hey, rinse it out, it'll clean off and keep using it, but apparently that's not the case. So they did say in the description or whatever that it is not for use on carpets. So I am not 100% sure if that should be used on my seats, but the dogs always ride back there. It's even worse back there than it is up here, of course. So I'm gonna give that a shot real quick and just see what it does. Obviously, this is probably not my first choice when it comes to really cleaning all that, but I just wanted to see what it'll do. All right, guys. So, as you can see, that is absolutely disgusting. And I will say, oh, yeah, look at that. Nasty, bro. But, yeah, like I was going to say, these short hairs from my boxer, they love to get tangled up in stuff. You know, like entwined in it. But clearly, this is slowly picking it up. Obviously, some of it's stuck in there, but yeah. I will say, so far, first use of this, it's honestly working great. Like I said, I would not typically use it on my back seats, and I would typically wipe the dash down with something else and obviously vacuum out the shifter boot there. But I just wanted to see what this thing will do. Honestly, I'm gonna keep this and the other one mainly just to do like my vents and the hard to reach little places throughout the dash, and you know, around here and in there and whatnot. Just the hard to reach places I will be using this gel for, and that is honestly what I would recommend it for. Like I say, wouldn't really recommend it if you're trying to pull a whole 20 pounds of dog hair out of your back seats. But As you've seen in my earlier clip there, this gel, what I got, the 2-pack, is $9.99. Otherwise, if you just get the single one, it is $6.99. So you're saving money and you just have another one, you know, to get you by even longer. So if you guys are interested in that, I will have a link below in the description that you can shop right there. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this gel or anything else you think I should try. And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.